Quick and easy, no-cook breakfasts. Listen up, you lot. Mornings are a bloody nightmare. I get it. You're rushing out the door, barely got time to put your trousers on straight, let alone whip up a Michelin star breakfast. But that's no excuse for skipping the most important meal of the bloody day. So I've taken it upon myself to share 10 of my favorite no-cook breakfast ideas. That's right, you heard me, no cooking required. These recipes are quick, easy, and packed with enough bloody flavor to kickstart your day. We're talking fresh ingredients, simple prep, and absolutely no excuses. Get your lazy behinds in the kitchen and let's get cracking. Right, first up, we're tackling the breakfast game changer, chia seed pudding. Now, don't be put off by these tiny little seeds. They're packed with more bloody nutrients than a health food shop. We're talking 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a good glug of your milk of choice. Throw in a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if you've got a sweet tooth. Give it a good mix, and then bung it in the fridge overnight. That's it. You wake up and bam, you've got a thick, creamy pudding that'll make you wonder why you ever bothered with those sugary cereals. Top it with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts, or even a dollop of yogurt for a breakfast that's fit for a king, even if you're feeling like a right mug in the morning. Next up, we've got a classic fruit and yogurt parfait. Now, this isn't just some sad, soggy mess of yogurt and fruit. We're talking layers, people. Layers of flavor, texture, and bloody good ingredients. Start with a good dollop of Greek yogurt, none of that sugary rubbish. Then we add a layer of crunchy granola for texture. Finally, we finish it off with a generous handful of fresh berries. This parfait is a symphony of flavors and textures, and it's packed with protein, probiotics, and fiber. It'll keep you feeling fuller for longer than a 5-course meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Now, for those of you who crave something savory in the morning, we've got just the thing. Avocado and hummus toast. Forget those greasy bacon sandwiches. This is a breakfast that's both delicious and good for you. We start with a good quality whole grain bread, none of that processed rubbish. Then we spread a generous layer of hummus, the smoother the better. Next we layer on some perfectly ripe avocado slices. Finally, for a touch of heat, sprinkle on some red pepper flakes. This toast is a flavor bomb, packed with healthy fats and plant-based protein. It's the perfect fuel to power through even the most demanding of mornings. Sometimes the simplest things in life are the best. Take this banana and nut butter sandwich, for example. It's so easy, even a donkey could make it. Grab 2 slices of whole grain bread, spread a generous layer of your favorite nut butter, almond butter, peanut butter, cashew butter, whatever tickles your fancy, then slap on some sliced bananas. That's it. This sandwich is packed with potassium, protein, and healthy fats. It's a no-brainer for a quick and nutritious breakfast. And the best part, it's absolutely delicious. Listen up, you busy bees. This one's for those of you who are always on the go. We're talking about the ultimate breakfast hack, the smoothie jar. Now, this isn't just any old smoothie. This is a symphony of flavors and nutrients, all packed into a convenient jar. We're talking spinach for iron, frozen berries for antioxidants, a banana for potassium, and your choice of milk or yogurt for creaminess. Blitz it all up in a blender, pour it into a jar, and you're good to go. It's the perfect breakfast for those who are always rushing out the door. Now, this next one might sound a bit unusual, but trust me on this one. Cottage cheese and fresh berries might not be the most obvious breakfast pairing, but it's a combination that'll have you singing its praises. We're talking creamy, protein-packed cottage cheese paired with the sweet, juicy goodness of fresh berries. It's a match made in breakfast heaven. Simply scoop some cottage cheese into a bowl, top it with your favorite berries, and if you're feeling adventurous, add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts. Chapter 7, Nut and Seed Trail Mix, the ultimate snack attack. For those mornings when you're really pressed for time, a good old-fashioned trail mix is the way to go, but we're not talking about those sugary store-bought mixes. This is a trail mix fit for a king. We're talking almonds for healthy fats, walnuts for brain power, pumpkin seeds for zinc, and dry fruits for a touch of natural sweetness. Combine them all in a jar or a bag and you've got yourself the ultimate snack attack. It's perfect for those mornings when you're rushing out the door and it'll keep you going until lunchtime. Chapter 8. Instant oatmeal with fresh fruit. Fiber up oatmeal, the breakfast of champions. But who has time for all that cooking in the morning? Not this chef. That's why we're using instant oats for this recipe. Don't turn your nose up at instant oats. They're a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of fiber. Simply mix them with cold milk or yogurt, add your favorite fruits, and let it sit for a few minutes to soften. It's that easy. You get all the benefits of oatmeal without the hassle of cooking. Chapter 9. Berry and granola breakfast bowl. Crunchy and refreshing. This next recipe is so simple it barely even qualifies as a recipe, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This berry and granola breakfast bowl is packed with flavor and nutrition. We're talking crunchy granola, juicy berries, and creamy yogurt all in one bowl. It's a symphony of textures and flavors that'll tantalize your taste buds and fuel your body. Simply layer your favorite granola with a mix of fresh berries, top it with a dollop of yogurt, and you're good to go. Chapter 10. Veggie and hummus wrap, portable and packed with goodness. Last but not least, we have the veggie and hummus wrap. This is the perfect breakfast for those who are always on the go. Simply take a whole grain wrap, spread a generous layer of hummus, and then pile on your favorite veggies. We're talking bell peppers, cucumbers, spinach, carrots, whatever you fancy. Roll it up tightly, and you've got yourself a portable breakfast that's packed with flavor and nutrition. It's the perfect way to start your day off right, even if you're short on time. Outro breakfast like a boss. There you have it. 10 no-cook breakfast ideas that are quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. These recipes are packed with nutrients to keep you fueled and focused all morning long. So, ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of a proper breakfast. Now tell me, which one of these recipes are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious and easy recipes. Until next time.